Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Mycelium wallet application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Mycelium wallet application on your mobile device is quite easy. First, make sure to be connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data and open up your App Store or your Play Store. In the search box, search for Mycelium and perform your search. Once you find this application popping up on your display, tap on the Get button and your application download process should begin. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button and that's how you can easily download Mycelium wallet application on your mobile device. Go ahead and create a new wallet or restore your previous wallet by tapping on Restore from Backup and you'll be good to go. That's how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.